fourth graders and families. It's Mrs. Dunham. Nice to see you again. I'm really excited to be coming back into the classroom with you at the end of October. As you know, I had my daughter Jordan on July 1st. I've been spending time with her and my son Noah, who's almost 2. That we have them, and my husband Matt have we also have a dog, Nala. She's about 5 years old. She's a golden retriever, and she makes an appearance in a lot of my stories and pictures. I'm really excited to be with this class again. We have some really great added students, and we also have such a good, classroom from last year that this has been really perfect for me to be able to spend time with my daughter and jump right back in where we left off. It was so good seeing most of you at the beginning of school, and it makes me feel really good about our classroom community for the upcoming year. So Mrs. Breen and I are job sharing again, meaning she's working the beginning half of the week. I'm working at the end half of the week, but you already know that. It was such a perfect opportunity for me to balance being home with my babies and also getting to still teach, because Mrs. Breen and I really have very similar philosophies. I was watching her video, and we both really agree with what she said in her video about making mistakes, how they're how we learn, and that a good teacher kind of shows students, maybe what they need to work on, what mistakes they made, and how we grow in the future, and how adults still make a lot of mistakes. And if we knew how to do everything perfectly, first of all, that would be really boring, and also it would not give teachers a job, which, we like having a job. I also, really like to have students kind of explore on their own. Obviously, there are things that I need to directly teach, but meeting each student where they're at and guiding them through the lesson rather than me just talking at the front of the classroom endlessly. That's kind of my philosophy. Some little bit more about me. I really do enjoy, spending time up on Lake Winnipesaukee. I like reading. I like spending with my kids. It's been a lot of laundry lately, not a lot of time for hobbies, but I'm really enjoying my young family, and I'll be bringing in lots and lots of pictures. My class last year remembers that I tend to like to take pictures of Noah in a box or in a bag, so maybe they'll make some more appearances of those with Jordan in them. Who knows? So I'm really excited to get back with you all. I'm excited for this year ahead and can't wait to see you in person. All right, bye.